There's a neighbor. First, the core of this wood.
Nie tu.
Okay, so I'm cutting here the aluminum parts for the birdhouse. Right here, leaf, and right here.
A widzisz mój plan?
I know. Okay, this is place for the beard. For beards. Okay, so now we need to measure the roof for the birdhouse because it looks like we need this screw and we make the hole here and here and here and here and of course here, here, here and here, and it was like this. It's your birdhouse like this. So let's do it together right now. Now I have to make wall, one here, second one I'm going to do here. It's working, very nice. So like this here, like so. Okay, at the end it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have it like this, and now just this. So like this.
Okej, a jeden film, że mnie chodzi to ten. Co?
Okay, now we make a hole to the inox roof. Okay, so we have it. Now it's done. So it's look very nice. Here we can input some food for birds and it's done. Okay, right now I prepare some holder of this birdhouse. So I made 2 for this crew, and now I'm going inside and it will be holder. This is the final. Now we can use this birdhouse in the nature. I would like to use it like right here, so let's do it together. Very nice. You can like here.